Hello, this is Adit Gupta, Apricot Clothing India, and in this video I'm going to talk about the fabrics that we have available. So any factory is only as good as the raw material, which is fabrics in this case, which is available to it. We have a list SS31 that you can ask for, which lists the entire range of fabrics. So I will briefly tell you about it, but the exact you can get from the SS31. But what I more importantly want to tell you is that there are two ways we approach fabrics. One, we have the largest fabrics wholesale market in near our factory. So any fabric you need, we have similar fabrics available 24/7, 365. So that means is that, for example, if you want some checks, we can show you similar options. If you want some lace fabrics, we can show you. You want some nets, we have those available in stock. So we have the widest variety of fabrics available in stock all the time. Now there are two ways that we work with the companies. Either we can make custom fabrics for you, so we purchase the yarns and we give it to our knitting mills, or we give it to our weaving mills, and then they either weave the fabric for us or they knit the fabric for us. So that is an option. So for example, somebody says, I don't like the hand feel of this particular fabric which is available in stock, and I really want, so for example, for the hoodies, for example, you might say, I want a really nice, much thicker GSM than what is available. Or you might say, I want this particular detail. So whenever you need some custom fabric made, there is a minimum quantity to it. I will talk about that in this video. And even for custom dyeing, there is two options we can, but I will come back to that. So there are two ways we approach fabrics. Either we are custom making the fabric for you, or we are showing you the fabrics from what is available in the market. So I will talk about what is available in the market. We send a person, he shows, if you want to see the prints, he will show you the prints. He will share we will add him to the WhatsApp group, and he will share the images with you. You can select from that. You can ask for a swatch, and we will courier the swatch to you. You can approve the fabric. You can hand feel it. You can test it. You can do whatever you want. So this is available for all fabrics. So that is the first part. The second part is that we can custom make the fabrics for you. The third part is that these fabrics we can then custom dye for you as well, based on your Pantone color requirements. So if you say, I want this particular fabric, then we can custom dye it. And I also want to talk about dyeing in this, that again there are two ways that we can dye the fabrics for you. One is the local dyeing, and one is the mill dyeing. If you want to know the difference between the local dyeing and the mill dyeing, then we have a set document already created for that, and you can ask me for the document which lists out the differences between local dyeing and mill dyeing and when you should use which. So but the bottom line is that we have all available fabrics that you can think of, and we have it: polyesters, cotton, linens, rayon, viscose, organic cottons, in knits, and in all these fabrics in knits and in wovens, and the blends of these fabrics with lycra, without lycra, denims with lycra, without lycra, any fabric you can think of, and we have it for you. And you can see the lists also for that. Thank you so much. This is Adit Gupta, Apricot Clothing India.